Okay guys, there you have it. My creamy mushroom soup. Let's go ahead and give that a taste test.
Alexa!
Alright guys, there you have it. That's my creamy mushroom soup. And also, don't be afraid to kick up that heat and toss in some cayenne pepper, because that is really going to make it kick up a notch. Very delicious.
Jesus Christ.
Let's try it again. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my video. Hit that like button and also drop me a comment. Always is interested in what you guys say.
Is that all one word?
Hey, so there you have it. My mushroom soup video. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. God damn it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that like button if you like my videos. And always tune in. I'm always coming up with new videos, new reviews, and leave a comment. Always interested what you guys say, alright? Let's try that one more time. Alright, stop. Alright, ready? Alright guys, there you got it. I made the creamy mushroom soup, Hungry Buzz style. Now let's go ahead and give it a taste test. That is so delicious. Now the secret there is to make sure you do a long, slow mushroom cook. Don't be afraid to caramelize those onions. No, don't. So there you got it, guys. That's how you make my famous creamy mushroom soup. You want to caramelize those onions. It's a nice, slow, long cook, but it's well worth it.
You meant mushrooms, not onions.
Did I say onions?
You said onions.
The secret there is to make sure you do a long, slow cook. Make sure you caramelize those onions.
Mushrooms.
God damn it. So, the key there is to make sure you do a long, slow cook on those mushrooms. Make sure you caramelize them, because that's really going to give it the big flavor. Who the hell is this guy? Was that recording? What the hell? Beautiful. Listen, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if you like my videos. Stay tuned, because I'm always coming up with more and more recipes that everyone's going to love, alright? And, hey, leave me a comment. I'm always interested in a comment, right? Alright, bye. Alright, so there you have it. That's my creamy mushroom recipe video.
Nope,
No.
Start again.
Alright, there you have it. That's my creamy mushroom soup.
Holy shit, you love mushrooms.
Alright guys, so you made my famous Hungry Buzz creamy mushroom soup. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Beautiful. That is amazing. So the secret there is to make sure you do a long, slow cook on those mushrooms. Make sure you caramelize them, because that's going to extract that flavor. And if you want that extra kick, don't be afraid to throw in some cayenne pepper. That is delicious. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my videos and hit that like button and drop me a comment, because I always am interested in what you got to say. Alright? Stay tuned. See you guys soon. Bye.